trying to decide if I want to go with the larger rhinestones. I'm going to repurpose those mirrors that I found in Burlington Coat Factory. And so trying to decide if I want the larger stones or if I want to go with a more crushed stone look and go with the smaller ones. The smaller ones are $15.99. I'll be hot gluing like crazy, but I'm trying to decide which one will look better. I actually have two mirrors I want to do, so we'll see. That'll be a project probably today. Okay, so I decided to go with the large, if I can show it, large beads. They're different shapes and sizes. I'm gonna just lay some out and see what I can do. Okay, I laid a design out. And here is the design. So I covered the crack. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to stick them down. And this is something sticky on here. I'm going to have to get some goop, gunk, be gone or whatever. Get rid of that. And yeah, I think it turned out okay. Ideally, I would have liked all of these squares to trim the whole mirror, but I didn't have enough to do that, so I had to go with just a pattern. We'll see how it turns out after I glue it on. So far, I've done one side. It's glued out. I still have this side to finish. This one is glued. They're not going to be perfect, but they're going to be on there. And then I'm going to clean them up, clean the mirror, and we'll see how it goes. So, here's my second mirror. This one is much larger. I am going to show a finished project, but this is my second one. It was cracked in this corner, and it was cracked there. So, I had to do some things, but that's the first mirror. And I'll show a finished project, but this, I'm working on the second one. Okay, the mirrors are done. This is the first one. Excuse the background, but it's the only way I can get it. That's the first one. And this is the second one. It was cracked up in that corner. That's the second one. It's not such a good picture, but it'll do. I have to clean them up. But as you can see, I did a 3D effect on it. Put the stones on top. I didn't do that over here. I just layered them over here. But overall, I like the way they turned out. Clean them up and they will be good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, of course. I will be doing more DIY with my dumpster finds. Hopefully in a better setup. But thank you.